Don't touch Gabe. No, no, Gabe.
Oh, hello, Jaden.
Say hi, Santa.
Good to see you. I'm glad we're able to talk with the help of my portable North Pole console. I bet you want to know if you made it onto my nice list this year. Am I right?
Yeah.
We'll find out very soon. But first, come with me.
What?
We'll take a look at your book. Here it is. Thank you very much.
Watch, Jaden. See if you made it.
This is where I write down everything I know about you. You're 3 years old, aren't you? And you stay at home with Mommy. Now here's the exciting part. This very special machine will go through your book so we can see what kind of year you've had. Time to lower the lights. Everybody, come and watch. Oh, there you are.
How did he get your pictures?
You're a brave kid. And don't worry. If you're on my nice list, I'll always know where to find you. Whether you're home or somewhere else during the holidays. Jaden, I know that this year you've been asked to try your best to always listen to your mommy. Now, did you make an effort to make it onto my nice list? Let's use the machine to find out now.
Did you make it? Oh no.
List you want to be on, is it? My elves and I know you can do better.
Oh no. You're on the naughty list?
Not too late. If you try really hard, you still have time to make it onto my nice list before Christmas. Why don't you come back later and see if things have changed? If we don't get a chance to talk again before then, we all wish you a Merry Christmas.
Are you gonna listen and do what Santa said? Jaden? Are you gonna listen to Santa Claus? And be a good boy?
Better try hard.